President Biden's bipartisan infrastructure law contains several provisions that invest in U.S. Department of the Interior initiatives and benefit the communities and areas we directly serve. The department is dedicated to restoring critical habitats, addressing drought crisis, assisting with wildland fire management, and helping communities prepare for extreme weather events. The bipartisan infrastructure law helps by allowing the Department of the Interior's Bureau of Reclamation to hire staff into occupations that affect waterways, water infrastructure, information technology information systems, clean energy, power and cybersecurity infrastructure, and resilience and environmental remediation initiatives. At Reclamation, we know that success in implementation of the bipartisan infrastructure law is through frequent collaboration with tribal, local, state, and federal leaders and their communities. We are recruiting to fill many dynamic positions, including engineers, construction control representatives, contract and grants management specialists, information technology specialists, human resources, project managers, and various leadership roles. We offer benefits such as flexible work schedules, career ladder opportunities and promotion potential, 11 federal holidays, recruitment and relocation incentives, retirement savings plans, medical dental, student loan repayment, transit subsidy, wellness program, credit union, life insurance, telework opportunities, vacation, and medical leave. Join our team today and become part of the Reclamation family, managing water in the West.